Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen at Tasty Meatless. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple yet delicious recipes. The first one is Parsley Omelette. We don't need too much ingredients, only a bunch of parsley, washed, dried and cut slices into small pieces, and then break 2 eggs, beat the eggs evenly, and then add some basic spices, salt, pepper, and some soya sauce. Just mix the parsley with 1.5 tablespoons of flour, and then mix them well. Put it inside the beaten egg, and then heat up the pan at medium-high heat. Just drop 1 tablespoon of cooking oil or any oil will do. Coat the surface of the pan with the oil. After that, when it is already warm enough, you can pour in the mixture. And for the omelette mixture, you can add any ingredients you may think of. It is flexible. It's up to your preference, okay? You may also add some chili if you are not going to cook for kids. Now we are pouring in the mixture, and try to use a wooden spatula if you are using this kind of pan. And then flatten the surface, because we want the omelette looks beautiful and good and round, okay? We can speed up the cooking process by putting on the lid. Cover it and wait for 5 minutes, about 5 minutes at medium-high heat. And open it and try, or you can peep the bottom a little bit by the side. You can see if it is already dry enough for you to flip it. You can also have a good look on the surface. If you see the egg is no more watery, you can flip it. And after you flip it, wait for another 3 to 5 minutes again at medium-high heat. At this time, no need to cover it anymore. And we just try to flip one more time, so that we want to make sure the omelette will have some crispy at the side. Just leave it for another 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, you may take it out from the pan, and it is ready to be served. For me, I like the omelette dry enough, so I try to flip it one more time. So altogether, I flipped it for 3 times. And after that, I put it on the platter. Make sure you have warmed up your platter. Serve it when it is still warm. You may add some sauce or garnish with anything you like. For me, I like to go with tomato sauce, but my tomato sauce include the curry powder. So I have some heat because it is winter now. I want to have some sweetness also for my omelette. There you go. What a beautiful omelette. It is suitable for snack. It is also suitable for breakfast or brunch. Oh yes, friends, please check out the description box for ingredients measurement. And now I'm going to show you the second recipe. This time, my apology, my camera did not capture my mixture, so I missed it. So just prepare a zucchini, cut them in a thickness of 0.5 centimeter, And the mixture is very easy. You just need 1 egg and then 2 tablespoons of flour. In here, I'm using all-purpose flour. Put some salt and then some soya sauce and some mushroom enhancer if you have. If you don't have, it's okay. And some pepper. Mix them well and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. The milk will give fluffy and a little bit crispy. Then after that, just dip the zucchini one by one in the batter and put inside the hot oil. Just put a moderate amount of oil in the pan and you can fry it one by one, but you can put 4 to 5 pieces all together in one time. Here it is, zucchini tempura. It is very delicious. Try it, okay guys? And leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you have not done it and give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.